Sepi banget.
Udah janji.
Oh. Hey, hello. There's ASN CS3. Can we see the face cam? Oh, you're gonna. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. And so continue to our introduction. There's also my other friend. There's Gusti Agung Intan. Hello, Intan.
Hello, my name is Intan and I'm from Bali.
And moving on, there's Cokorda Rai.
Hello.
I also
My name
my
is
partner
Rai.
too.
I'm from
So,
Bali.
yeah, thank you for the introduction, Cokorda.
Thank you.
Can we start the introduction from our participants, ASN CS3? Can you give an introduction? Is your mic working? Oh, your name is Rohan from Binus Senayan Campus. So, where are you from, Rohan? Oh, Jakarta. Bisa ngomong bahasa Indonesia lah ya? Oke, cakep, cakep. Siapa aja tadi yang baru masuk? Ini yang Senayan ada 1, 2.
Jurusan apa, Rohan? Mic-nya nggak bisa ya? Mic-nya nggak bisa ya?
Komsi.
Oh,
Komsi
computer
itu apa?
science.
Computer science.
Computer science.
TI or apa? Computer science tuh maksudnya IT atau apa gitu. Oh, IT. Ya, banyak kok yang IT juga teman-teman kita. We're seeing some new people. Apa ini? Ryan. Halo Ryan, can you hear my voice? Can you speak out?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Hello. Are you from Jakarta?
No, I'm from Bali.
Oh, ada nih temennya nih. Banyak
Iya,
dari
ya,
Bali.
udah lihat namanya, udah banyak.
Iya. Kenapa masuk Senayan?
Nggak ada alasan sih, cuma nggak tahu sih.
Jauh loh.
Iya.
Nggak yang di Malang. Communication. Ngambil apa tuh? Fakultas apa communication?
Ryan, jurusan apa, Ryan?
Aku graphic design dan new media.
Oh,
New media. Halo. Woi, udah rapih nih. So today, what we will do, Cok? Next session.
Ini udah semua ya kenalan ya?
Kurang lebih udah. Coba kalau ini. Ryan, bisa perkenalan nggak? Dari mana? Terus SMA-nya?
Halo, nama saya Ryan. Saya dari Bali. Waktu di Bali aku di Diatmika, di sekolah Diatmika.
Sekolah apa tuh? Sekolah
Internasional.
Oh, sekolah internasional. Bagus lah, bagus lah. Terus tadi Rohan bisa perkenalan juga. Oh iya, mic-nya mati. Nggak apa-apa, perkenalan aja.
Nyampein materi, Kak.
Ntar dulu nih, masih ada yang baru masuk. SES, what kind of school is that? Sekolah apa tuh? Oh, Singapore School. Okay. ASN 06, can you introduce yourself? Hello, ASN 06. Can you hear my voice? Hello. Are you from Indonesia or foreign? Oke, mantap. Mantap. So do you have any friends that will be joining us today, or you're all just separated from each other, these ASN? Ini kepisah-pisah nggak ya? Atau ada temennya yang nungguin nanti? Siapa tadi? Ryan, ada yang kenal nggak?
Nggak, kayaknya aku sendiri aja Hindu.
Oh, nggak apa-apa lah.
Iya.
Gimana, Cok? Selanjutnya, Cok, ada apa?
Ada penyampaian materi dari Ketua Hindu BINUS.
Oh, okay. So today for my session, I will explain about the materials that I will be carrying about this organization. So as you can see, we, 4 of us, Cok Putra, me, Cokorda, and Gusti Agung Intan will be, from the organization called KMH or Keluarga Mahasiswa Hindu. So we're basically a group of people that are, have Hindu backgrounds that are collaborating and organizing our own events that usually itu kayak sembahyang bersama or jalan-jalan sih, maybe events that berhubungan sama keagamaan Hindu gitu biasanya. And today for my session, I will explain about the organization briefly. Yeah. So I'm gonna share screen. Can you guys see my screen? Oh wait. Can you guys see my screen? Udah
Ya.
aman belum ya?
Udah.
Oke, kelihatan ya. So Om Swastiastu buat semuanya, for everyone. My name is Sangputu Sandiana Yogi, and I am the president of this organization, Keluarga Mahasiswa Hindu from BINUS University. As of now, KMH itu nggak sampai Senayan ya, unfortunately. It's not in the Senayan region. We are primarily in Kemanggisan or the head campus. We are planning to spread our influence to Alam Sutra and maybe Malang and Bekasi, but we are currently lacking the resources or the PIC, the person in charge to control all of the people. But fortunately, we have communities, and I think di Senayan itu kayaknya emang ada community buat umat Hindu juga. Jadi kalian bisa join untuk sembahyang, untuk yang ngumpul-ngumpul semacam itu. For now, KMH does its event primarily again in Kemanggisan, and I will explain that. Okay, KMH has a vision, menjadikan KMH organisasi yang maju, dikenalnya pada khususnya lingkungan kampus juga di lingkungan masyarakat. This is just some basic vision that I concise for future events and what I vision this organization will become. And then this is the mission. Lakukan sosialisasi. Sosialisasi can be in the form of social services and interactions with societies and something like that. Baksos gitu. Meningkatkan rasa kebersamaan serta rasa memiliki antara anggota KMH. Yes, the feeling of accountability between each members. So we acknowledge each other as a Hindu gitu. Terus membangun kreativitas dalam bentuk kegiatan yang positif. There are activities that we can do and that we do that are contributing to positive measures in the society. Terus meningkatkan pemahaman dan pengetahuan tentang ajaran agama Hindu. Yes, we also have Hindu materials too. That we have an event that is sharing knowledge yang bisa kalian dapat untuk meningkatkan knowledge and pengetahuan tentang ajaran Hindu juga. Now, what do we do here at KMH? These are all our routine activities. Friday routine classes. What do we do in Friday routine classes? Is that we usually just discuss our plans for our next event, and maybe we have sembahyang bersama, and then we hang out usually because it's routine, and we get together physically. Terus sembahyang bersama juga di hari raya besar kayak Saraswati or Galungan, Kuningan, semacam itu. And then we also have sports that we compete in also. It's called futsal, olahraganya untuk sekarang. We compete in other campus, and fortunately we won in the last tournament. We won third or first place. I forgot about that. I'm sorry. And then these are other events. There are welcome party that we are going to held in September. And then sharing knowledge. This is for increasing your knowledge as a Hindu. And then social day. This is the part where we contribute to society in a positive measures. And then Tirta Yatra, kita bisa jalan-jalan nih, terus sembahyang gitu. Terus ada LDK, latihan dasar kepemimpinan. It's like a training for you to be a member, a proper member, or maybe a pengurus gitu. Ya gitu, LDK pelatihan. And then this is the welcome party at 2019, waktu sebelum ada pandemi. Terus ini juga, ini kelas kerohanian Jumat, kita biasa rapat. Terus ini ada turnamen futsal. Tahun 2019, ini juara 1 atau juara 3, nggak kelihatan juga. And then ini rapat, membahas ada event juga tahun kemarin. Di sini kalau sembahyang bareng di Pura 2019. Ini juga sembahyang bareng di Hari Raya Kuningan tahun 2020 nih, baru nih sebelum pandemi. And I guess that's it for my material. And if you want to ask, feel free to ask. Matur suksma semua. Thank you. Apalagi, Cok?
Question and answer.
Oh, yeah, if you want to ask questions, feel free to ask. I will answer that. If you want to ask about anything, actually, we kind of have a flexible schedule. Oh ya, yeah, so KMH itu base-nya ke Balinese Hindu gitu ya. Jadi I'm so sorry if we can't really explain the materials in apa ya? Kayak gimana ya? Kalau kita punya beberapa teman yang emang Hindu juga, cuma emang gimana ya? Agak berbeda aja gitu. Emang gitulah. Ini Hindunya rata-rata Hindu Bali kan ya? Oh, yeah, that's fine. Hindu India, that's okay. That's okay. We have other friends too that are from India, and we're very good friends of them. Maybe you can, Sudiksa, you can actually contact them and create a small community, or maybe create a group, and then you can go together and feel like you're, I don't know, how can I say this? In the same circle, maybe. No, that's okay. That's okay. It's okay. You can join the fun. That's very good of you. Oh, okay. That's fine. That's fine. You can maybe be friends with ASNC3. Hello. Hello, Mr. Petrus.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon. Very good, Putu.
I'm sorry, sir. Your voice is so minimum.
Yeah. Hello. Can you hear me now?
It's still so little, sir.
Yeah, sorry. It seems my computer is not so good. How many of you today?
So today there are 1, 2, 3,
Half of you,
6, sir.
Yes.
Exactly 6, just like the info said.
Yeah, very good. So 6 freshmen.
Yes, sir.
And how many of you from KMH?
We have 4 people that are attending today.
That's good. A good number, yeah. That's great. That's great. I'm happy. Yeah. Sorry to interrupt, yeah.
It's okay, sir.
Visit to greet, yeah. That's great. So Putu, you want to maybe continue, but yeah, since you gave me the floor, so I want to encourage and welcome all of you, yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Maybe we should welcome first our freshmen, yeah.
So everyone, please introduce. This is Mr. Petrus. He is my advisor for this event, and he will be monitoring us for this event.
Very good. I have introduced myself several times to the freshmen, but I think I need to repeat it here because it is such a special forum, yeah, with keluarga
Of course.
mahasiswa Hindu. By the way, I am Mr. Petrus Lakonawa from Student Club and Activity Center. So we are tasked by BINUS and also by BINUS International to manage our student clubs in BINUS International. So I hope to meet you more personally. Yeah, hopefully after the pandemic, we can meet face to face. Yeah, we have a
Of course.
wonderful spot here in our campuses. We have very good student lounge, especially in JWC. That is my base. Our office is there. Yeah, so please come. We can discuss more, especially about student organizations, more particularly about keluarga mahasiswa Hindu.
Of
So
course.
basically, yeah, this is the organization for Hindu students. Yeah. So I hope you feel welcome, feel supported, yeah, feel at home. Yeah. That you have friends. Yeah. Because Venus wants that students grow holistically, yeah, fully, also in terms of the spiritual needs. So you can grow in academic technical skills. You can grow also physically. Yeah, we have also some sports clubs. Yeah, also in terms of arts like music. Yeah, but also spiritually. Yeah, we have for you as Hindu students. We have keluarga mahasiswa Hindu. This is a very nice, small but beautiful club. Yeah, and we want to reach out the students also in BINUS International. Actually, this club started in BINUS Kemanggisan, and since BINUS is very much expanding, we want also to welcome the Hindu students from BINUS International. I believe that if we can work together, we have good network, we will become stronger. Yeah. So that is my gesture to welcome you. I would like to thank also Putu, the president of Keluarga Mahasiswa Hindu, with his other leaders.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they already work very well. Yeah, they have very good seniors also. Yeah, in KMH. So we want to regenerate by having Binusian 24. We see that there is the future of KMH. That in the future you will be the one also to welcome your juniors, the next year freshmen. Yeah. So kindly maintain this good solidarity, friendship, and brotherhood, sisterhood, yeah, within keluarga mahasiswa Hindu. So please feel welcome. I want you to feel welcome, yeah, because
Of course.
only those who feel at home can study well. So I want you all, yeah, Binusian, freshmen, all the students, all Binusian, yeah, to feel at home with us all, yeah. So that's it, yeah. If you have questions, you may ask, yeah. But I trust Putu and all to pray with you, yeah, to guide you because you are freshmen, you are somehow fresh, yeah, in campus, so you need the guidance of the seniors, yeah,
Of course, sir.
yeah. So thank you very much, Putu, for
You're
allowing
welcome,
me to
sir.
meeting.
Thank
I
you
cannot
for.
stay long because I need to visit also other rooms, yeah,
Of
uh,
course.
to welcome all the freshmen, yeah, in
Of course, sir.
different rooms.
That's it. Okay, so guys, just like Mr. Petrus said, we are a small community. Basically, we have small members, but our bond is usually bigger. We have this more close bond with each other. Just like this, my three, what is it called? Panitia, panitia. What is that called? I forgot. Yeah, panitia.
Committee members.
Yes, community member. Yeah, the three of us, we have known each other for a lot of reasons, but mainly because we are in this together. Because we're small, so it's easy to keep track of who's who, and it's easy to know each other because it's them again, something like that. And KMH as a student body, we are not forcing you to really join the membership, but we are encouraging you to follow our routines and follow our events. That hello, Willie. Okay, that was intermezzo. But as I said, this is a student body, so I encourage you to follow our events and our routines, like prayers, Friday prayers, or maybe annual prayers that we have in certain occasions. And I think today is Hari Raya apa ya? Ada Hari Raya kayaknya hari ini. And then some of you that are Hindu from India, and yeah, like that. I am not excluding you for our group. Feel free to join and feel free to share your experiences and anything you can share with us, with our student body. You can join us our event, and maybe you can give a special, I don't know, special occasion pementasan apa sih ya? Yes, so in last year, our friend from India, her name is Ravinia Sharfini, or maybe you've heard her, I don't know, but she and I played the guitar in our event, and we sang, and she's so good at it. And that's one of the forms that in solidarity, and one of the forms in unity. That doesn't mean that even though we are in different perceptions, even though we're the same Hindu, but we can still get together and we can still share the same feeling of unity, something like that. Yeah. Maybe you can ask, do you guys still celebrate Deepavali? Oh, yeah. So Disha, actually, there are a lot of people here, especially in Jakarta, that celebrated Deepavali, and they have some sort of, well, I don't know, specific temples or specific areas that Indian Hindus usually celebrate in times like that. Other than Deepavali, is there any other festivities that you usually do, or maybe something that I don't know? Or maybe ASNCS3, you can tell me something other than Deepavali?
Hello, friends.
Hello.
Good afternoon. I'm sorry if today I have do mistake, but let me know. You are all from India, maybe. Let me know.
No, not all. So, friends, this is my student body, our student body's alumnus. His name is Putu Willy. He's, of course, already have a job, and he's far more mature than us, and he will maybe give some words of advice.
Well, not all from India. Maybe let me know where you pray. I just know if the temples of in Hindu India in Pasar Baru in Jakarta. Maybe you are all from here.
Oh yeah, SNCS3. Where do you usually pray? Oh, Pasar Baru. Okay. Is it good, the place? Does the people being friendly, or maybe they're feeling weird? Oh, okay, good. It's nice to have a community that supports you back. That's so great of you. And how about ISNCS3? Where do you usually pray? Oh, Pluit. Bang Willy, di Pluit di mana tuh, Bang?
My friend just pray in Pasar Baru temples, Hindu temples, but there is so many temples Hindu India in Jakarta. Others Hindu Bali have temples in Jakarta. So
Temples, Bang.
yeah, you are all learn in BINUS Anggrek or BINUS Internasional JW.
Bang? Okay, he's freezing apparently. We're sorry for the inconvenience, guys. So at 12, we will conduct our prayers. One of our friends will show the video of Trisandia, and you can follow it. You can pronounce it. You can emphasize the video if you want to, and the others can adjust. So if you want to ask anything, you can ask away. If you want to share anything, you can share anything away. I will listen and I will give you my feedbacks. Oh, and maybe my friends seems a little bit quiet because they don't really speak English very well, and we're sorry for that. And I'm making up for their mistakes, and you can ask me. That's okay.
For the futsal thing, is that like every year? Or is it just now and then?
Excuse me? Sorry. I didn't hear
You had
the
a
question.
kan tadi ada tim futsal itu.
Mhm.
Is that like often or just like once a year?
That was once a year usually from Universitas Indonesia, and the event is called FHG. HFG, Hindu for Generation. It's usually done from UI and then Unila and then other campuses, but mainly negeri. And we usually attend, and the attendees semuanya Hindu, jadi lebih spesifik aja gitu. Dan kamu bisa ikut kok, soalnya memang teman-teman dari ABN, dari BBN, CBN itu juga emang pada mau kan, dan ada yang bisa futsal juga, kamu bisa ikut juga tuh kayak gitu. Bisa teman banyak kan gitu. From ASN 01, any reps in BINUS Inter? Any reps, and that means is, I don't really get the question, I'm sorry. ASN 1, reps, what does that mean? Artinya apa tuh? Representatives. Representatives from our student body. Currently, we don't have one. I'm sorry, in Senayan, in BINUS International. I'm sorry, we don't have one. We're currently not having much influence into BINUS Senayan, but I am pretty sure that in BINUS Senayan, we have communities that are Hindu too, both Indian and Hindu in Bali. Sir, Mr. Petrus,
Yes,
can I ask you a question, sir?
Sure.
I'm pretty sure that from KMH itself, we don't have any representative in Senayan, but do you think that there are a small community that are usually having, prayers, when Hari Hari Raya, something like that?
That's a wonderful question. I really wait for those questions. Yeah. So like this, we just started. Actually, I myself was just transferred to BINUS International, and we started here. Before I was in BINUS Syahdan together with KMH there and all the clubs. I worked there. So the vision for the future is that we can get well connected, well networked, also in terms of student clubs. So in the past, yeah, we actually have Hindu students, yeah, but there was no forum or club for them. Right now, we want to channel what we have in BINUS higher education institution. Yeah, it means, for example, we have KMH already well established somehow in BINUS Kemanggisan, and we are just neighborhood. We are one BINUS, so we would like to ask the help of KMH, Keluarga Mahasiswa Hindu, from Kemanggisan to be with us, starting also or establishing Keluarga Mahasiswa Hindu in BINUS International, yeah, to take care of the BINUS Hindu students in BINUS International campuses. So hopefully through this event, yeah, we will be get connected, yeah, and united, and we can start. So I really rely on Hindu students of BINUSian 2024. This batch, yeah. Hopefully from now on, yeah, we can do together. So
course, sir.
that is our common concern, yeah. We can do together, yeah. Together we are stronger, yeah.
Of
So
course.
that's the point, yeah. In short, before there was no, yeah, but it is so sad if we cannot do it, yeah. So we need to improve, yeah, in the future. From now on, we can do together. Luckily now with the online platform like this, we can easily get together. So even to reach out to the Hindu students in Bandung, Malang, etc. Yeah, Bekasi, Alam Sutra, and Senayan. So we are one. We are united. We can pray together. Yeah. I hope I can answer your question. Yeah.
Of course, sir. Maybe I can ask some questions with you personally
Sure.
after this, sir.
Yes. So my students from BINUS International, please first of all be at home, but also be strong. Yeah? I hope you become more encouraged, yeah, by this, that you are not alone. Yeah, you have also Hindu brothers and sisters from BINUS Kemanggisan. It is the first experience we want to give you. When you are at home, you get also motivated to continue your study, to pursue your dream in BINUS International.
Thank you, sir, for your feedback.
Thank you, Mr. Petrus.
Yes, really. Glad to
Okay.
see you here.
Yes, nice to see you. After a long time, we don't have to meet.
Yes, yes. Great. If there are
Okay.
some questions from BINUSian 24, the freshman, please feel free, because at 12, it seems you are scheduled to pray, yeah?
Yes, sir.
So that is the experience, yeah? During Friday, you have, yeah, bonding experience, but also as a community of faith, you pray together, yeah? Then there are some events, yeah, like, yeah, maybe Putu can share the events of KMA, so that our freshmen know that later on they can join you. I'm sure there are many initiatives, yeah, from Keluarga Mahasiswa Hindu, not only to pray, but also to do community service, social activity, whatever, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
To add the info, guys, from BINUSian 2024, we actually have an upcoming event in September, which is called Welcoming Party, and it's free. You can attend. It's some sort of gathering, an online gathering. As you can see, pandemic has its downsides and advantages, and this is one of the upbringing of the pandemic. We can connect with each other far and wide from this online service, and you can see all your friends, your Hindu friends primarily, and you can feel the sense of family in there. You can get to know each other. You can maybe see, oh, their faces look like this. Oh, this is them. Or maybe they look like this. They all have different backgrounds, and you can introduce yourself and maybe get to know each other. And maybe, I don't know, you maybe find your girlfriends, boyfriends, maybe something like that. Of course, I am encouraging you to join that event, and of course, feel free to join. I will give you the links. If you want to, you can leave your line IDs in the chat room below so that I can add you to our group. Guys, you can leave your ID lines. I can add you to the group.
Yes, same like the Sang Putu say. I explain to you all, for you all, the BINUSian International. You are all same with all the 2024 student in other campus like Alsut, Kemanggisan, Bandung, Malang, Bekasi, and we are KMH Binus very welcome to you. If you need help, you can ask me. If you are not have to meet each other, like Sang Putu say, we will meet in near time in the same place lagi ditentukan. So I hope you are all active to be participant in the KMH Binus, and if you don't have you don't have line, you can leave the number phone of WhatsApp maybe, and I just say good luck for your learning from your college in Binus University. Maybe you will get knowledge and the other skills, soft skill you will be learn. And if about religion, we will discuss each other karena basicnya is very different maybe. So here we go. Welcome to KMH Binus. Thank you.
Thank you.
Maybe we have some event maybe in the near time, like you say that if we will each other meet in the live.
Yeah, the nearest event we will hold is welcome party, that a social gathering via Microsoft Teams.
Wow, it's very, very amazing.
You can join too, you know.
Yes, I appreciate it, and I hope good luck for this event. Maybe I hope I can be joined in here.
You can ask Mr. Willy Putu for advices in lives and social, and maybe if you want to get to know him, you can contact him. He's a straightforward and nice guy overall.
Don't know. Maybe let me know you are all take the mayor. What the mayor you take in Binus University? Please kindly you leave the answer in chat, or maybe you can say that direct in here.
Ada computer science, ada apa tadi? Banyak deh, Bang.
So,
thank you, sir.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Petrus Nakunawa, for sharing.
Yes.
Maybe we can.
We hope to see you again, sir.
Other times, see you in other times.
I feel is to mingle with KMH once again. Yeah. So I hope we can do things together. Yeah.
Of course, sir.
I look forward to join your events, also your prayers. I'm so sorry. I need to visit and greet freshmen in other rooms. So I should leave now. I'm happy, to be able to see you here,
Of course, sir. You're welcome.
Yeah. So Putu, good luck, especially for your prayer,
Yes, sir.
How I wish to join your prayer, but I need to visit the other rooms for a while, So
that's okay, sir.
Around,
Thank you, Mr. Petrus.
Yeah. See you.
See you another time.
Please feel happy, Freshmen, please feel at home, I hope to see you again, See you. Thank you very much,
Thank you.
Good luck, Willy, good luck.
Thank you, Mister. Makasih banyak, Pak. Kita baru ketemu lagi, Pak, akhirnya.
Okay, so the other session, Cok, what will it be?
Sang Putu boleh sebentar nggak? Sorry ya, interupsi ya.
Okay.
Ini there is time, so to all, let me know who college tech in Binus University Alam Sutra maybe in here. Let me know who college in Alam Sutra Binus
Currently,
University.
there are no students that are from Alam Sutra, or maybe do any of you live near Alam Sutra or BSD?
Yes.
Are there any of you?
Oh, no one, no other.
No, I don't think.
Okay,
there
all
are
from JWC International Campus.
Yes, sir. Jaksel, Menteng, Bang.
Wah. Wih, it's the elite area. Okay.
Elite area.
To Sang Putu, maybe we have to meet live, not offline, not online, maybe in someday.
Yeah, we'll do that, bro.
Where is in maybe the location is in the templates like Pura Rawamangun or Pura Jelambar to apa tuh do the some
Rawamangun.
activities.
Iya,
Yes,
Bang, bisa,
to
Bang.
meet live, bertemu secara langsung untuk gathering live with the new student maybe.
Iya, Bang. Kalau
And
PSBB udah
if
dibuka ya.
you have some talent like you love to playing futsal, playing PUBG or playing Mobile Legend, you can ask Sang Putu. KM Habinus will make a team esports like
Of course.
tim Dota. Mungkin you have to play Dota, Warcraft, and in here or you are here celebrate Deepavali. Let me know.
Yeah, there are 2 people. Si Sudiksha celebrating
yes.
Deepavali and
Yes,
CS3.
okay.
Oh, Rohan. Why am I forgetting your name?
Yes. Okay.
Sorry.
Maybe in Jakarta.
Yay. Let's celebrate.
Yes. Because pandemic corona, usually in Indonesia, Deepavali celebrate in template.
Okay, he's freezing again. I don't know about his connection, but yeah, let's move on. Chok, what's the next event?
Okay, let's begin the apa sih Trisandio bahasa Inggrisnya?
Iya, Trisandio. So you may have familiarized with Trisandia, and we will conduct that now for our, share the video.
Om Kasam Som Dewa Paran Manusia Sarupapitya Alaya Surasati Om Kasantaya Dosa Oke, Kak. Habis nih, Kak.
For you
Sorry.
all, I give permission to leave this meeting room because I have some work. Maybe thank you to know all of you. I hope good luck for you. I hope you can reach your dream. Maybe you just learn hard work. It will be trust me. It will be proof in someday.
Of
Thank you
course.
semuanya. Om Swastiastu.
Thanks, Bli. Kasih, Bli. So we're about to reach the end of our religious activity. And I'm about to sending you some links. All of you there. I have sent you the links, and it is some sort of absensi. Absensi apa sih bahasa Inggrisnya? Ya absen pokoknya.
Attendance.
Ya attendance. For your attendance. For your attendance, and it's a questionnaire too. You can fill out and give the ratings as much as you like. And then before we end our meeting or session today, I'm asking you to turn on your cameras because Chakutra will take our photos for our reports. So if you may please start your video. Come on, Chok, take the pic.
Ini siapa lagi, Pak?
Ayo, dulu.
Ya. 1, 2, 3.
Another one.
Yes.
Oh iya, slow. Ditunggu. Ayo. Dinyalakan lagi. Yuk.
1, 2. Okay.
Okay, that's good. So thank you all for joining the religious activity today. We hope that it is very useful to you, and we hope that you get a good glimpse of what the student body is and the Hindu community is too. Feel free to ask and approach us for any questions, and I'm sure that in Senayan you will also meet and will encounter the Hindu community too, and you can mingle with them and you can pray together and do some fun activities with them. They usually likes to hang out, and we can go together. We can go to a group gathering and some sorts. Yeah, we can have fun with that. And as a final word, as a representative from my team, from my board members, we hope that you will have a easy learning, get good grades, and successful on your careers. We hope that also your spiritual level and your spiritual needs will also be fulfilled and will be good too. And yeah, I hope we can be friends, all of us. No holds barred, senior to juniors. Yeah, that doesn't really matter. You can really ask us anything. Okay, so thank you all, and you can leave the group session now.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Santi all.